Hey guys, it's Ben here from The Lazy Gardener. Just doing a quick video on seed saving, and so I thought I'd show you kind of a clip where I'm just cracking open one of the seed pods that I'd kept from a jalapeno plant, a couple of pods from a choison plant, and one of my luffa gourds as well that I kind of stored away. The luffa gourd's still a bit fresh, but I was a little bit worried that it was going to rot soon, and so I kind of cracked it open. Now, before I show you that video, there's three kind of rules I wanted to share with you that I kind of abide by for storing and saving seeds. And so what I do is, number one, I store it in a dark place. Number two, I store it in a dry environment. And number three, I store it where the temperature is nice and cool. Now, the reason why those three rules are really important is when you think about it, seeds out in the wild actually are dormant and they are waiting for the perfect conditions or the right conditions to come along, aka springtime, generally speaking. And so the reason for that is they wait and wait until it's nice and warm and there's a bit of moisture in the ground and there's a bit of sunlight, and then they start germinating. Now, when we save seeds, you kind of want the opposite effect, which is why I've got those three little rules. I don't worry too much about the technical germination rates and, I want to store long-term seeds to make sure they're valid for, tens or 20s of years. So I'm not going to really go to the extremes. Now, if you wanted to extend it a little bit further, sure, you could put them in the fridge as well. That definitely does help. But you just got to be careful that you don't freeze them, because if you freeze them, they're pretty much dead. So just a quick recap. Dry place, cool place, dark place. Store your seeds away and you should be good to go for the next spring. Cheers guys, chat soon.